Here it is for all suppliers. Then we have successfully registered it. We will have a link. Congratulations. Successful? Yes. And now we will start with a supplier. If you are a new supplier, you will have one. The login form will include your username and password. The first time you log in, you will see, "Welcome to Zonfair." And we're going to start step by step to set up everything. We're going to click, "Let's go." There is a banner logo here. Men logo size. Is the radio a square, or is it a 1 and 1 square? So you can choose between 512 times 512 pixels. The banner will be 2100 times 400 pixel. And we're going to go to the shop name. It's called Bloom Scrap. Store email can be called and phone number address in the city. Help structure and stay country, yes. And you can choose Then down. There's a part called Shop Depression. Here you will be. Add the information section. Your shop is here. Then we'll click on it. One is to skip this step and the other is to continue. Next, you will click on Setup. We will refer through. These two sets are called paper and street. For example, here we will recommend all vendors will receive it via PayPal. You have to have a bank account in the US. For example, you can choose PayPal. Then there will be PayPal email. It will be here. And then the present. The ship is only available for some special customers. It is currently available for PayPal. You will click your PayPal address here. Then you will click Continue to sell again. Then there's the policy, for example. What is your store policy? For example, shipping, return, or how to return the products. You can put the policy here. Return policy, if you have one. You have to put it in here. Then you will click Continue. You will skip this step. Next up is support setup. For example, there will be a support channel. For example, 24/7 customer service. You can leave the phone, email and address here. Let people contact you about your sport. Then you will click Continue. Next up is store SEO setup. It's when you search on Google. What will the title be? What are meta and keywords? Then you can find out more. SEO and you can go here. And then, for example, the social part, where you have Facebook, social or Twitter social. It's called the channel. You can put it here and you can click Continue. Then there's the social store setup. You have it. All the social links you can click here. We are supporting. It's called Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Then we have posted it. Congratulations. And now we're going to go to the dashboard. Then welcome to Zonfair, and this will be your dashboard. When you come in here, you're on the left. It will have all the functions. How about a store? Store management such as home media. Order payments components are customer refunds and setup. and you can lock out here. So you look at the right-hand side, you will see a dashboard that includes the number of orders you sold, how much you sell in a month. What is the order number? You can call it collect by product, year by month, it's up to you. Then we'll go to the next box. It's tabs. We'll click on media here. Media is a place called the archive of all images. Video belongs to the product. When you upload it, you create a new one, you'll see it appear here. Then you will have the function of adding and deleting arbitrary. Next is the optical. Then my article is equivalent to my post. It's going to be in the blog. It's going to talk about some services, or to introduce some products. So, for example, we're going to come in here and we'll see, it's our store. Your store will be on the helpline. Yes. Then we will click here and see. For example, this is our store, Plum Scrub Supplier. Then this is the product line, from 13 pots to $18. Whatever the name of the depression is, it will be what's called a spec, an offer or a sub-policy. So you'll see some information that's going to be there. For example, you're going to write an article. Then you'll click here. Then, for example, writing. So we can do a Google search, for example. For example, we will select this article, for example. Then we will write this article here. Then you can copy-paste, for example. I'll make a sample for you. Well, you can choose what image, what you want. For example, I have. For you, for example, take this picture. If you go there, you will borrow. Then you'll click here. What is your category? Will it fall into? For example, my post will have this. I will pass the depression here, and then I will submit. So, let's take a look at our article. Then we can pull down here and we'll see new and events. This is an article created by Bloomscape. And we'll click here and we'll see and this is our article. Then it's pretty easy. Okay, now we're done. So let's manage our writing. And we're already on the squeeze list. We've gone through the biological part. We will now go to the product section. Currently, our products belong to the supplier. This will have 33 products belong to this supplier. As you can see. So this is what our product line is. In stock and out stock. It will belong to the category. How many orders are in the inventory? And how many people watched? As you can see, there are a lot of views. Goes to viral, yes. And now we can call it. See more, delete, very arbitrary. So for example, we're going to click on this article. Then this is the product line. The product variable will have many variations in it. This is short depression. This is our depression. Then as you can see, we're going to have up to 6 sizes. In every size it will be. The first part is the image. The second is the regular price. The third part is the stop quality. What is your price if you want it? Yes. And as you can see, we're going to have bus sizes here. Generally speaking, it is quite easy. And then when you click here, then you click more, delete, edit the product at will. So now we're going to add a new product. Add a new product, for example. Do you have many variants of your products? If you have a product, you will select Simple Rhodas. And you'll enter its name. For example, I'm going to enter this tree. But I'm going to drop the word white with the from green, for example. Then, for example, its selling price is $16.78. We will choose the picture here. I would recommend every picture here. There will be resolution. It's 1000 pixels, and if it's 500 pixels, it's pretty small. And when you save, you remember to re-optimize. The pictures at below 100 kilobytes help me to load quicker. Improve the speed of loading images and websites. It is quite faster. So now I'm going to choose this one. Then you choose. Here, you want to add a picture. Then you can click here and add more. Then, for example, more, you can click on the plus sign. And you'll click on the category on right-hand side. And now the depression part. You can write it or copy it as well. I will write this part. And then what's our SKU code, for example, I'm going to make a sample and then stop. How much will the shipping cost? For example, the year of. It's been 5 years and this is 4 dots of 5 times 8 times 7, for example. The shipping class will take a few days. That's what you call a pickup, up to 2 weeks. I don't recommend 1 until 3 days. The task is already included. And here, I don't think you'll need this part either. And then the math is relative, that's what it's going to be. It's pretty simple. And now we're going to browser. Let's see. Then this is our new product line. The sale price is $16.78. The price is $19.85. Then, as you can see, this is the new product that we've added. It's pretty cheesy. Then you will click on the product tab to add it back. Then this is our new product. I'm sure I'll delete it. This is a draft product. Then you will click on the order. Then order is the place that manages all your orders. For example, how many orders do you have? It will show here. If you order it, it will not be displayed here. And I cleaned up. All the data is here, so you'll see blank data. Here is no data. Then when you click Print PDF or Excel or CSV, then it will recover the format code and download it for you. Then go to Top Payments. Just like we set up. It will list in a month or quarter by year. I have also recovered all the data, so leave it blank, for example. He will have history with him. Yours is how many times you've withdrawn money. It will list out here. Haha, for example. Let us say you have a program, promotion, something. You'll click on X new here. And you'll create the combo code. For example, why am I Valentine? Valentine's Day, yes guys. In a form called a 25% discount. Then the day is the 28th, for example. Free shipping. And display it in your store. Then you click on it. If so, you already have your coupon code. So when you use this, you get the code. With Valentine coupon, you will put them in banners. Your promotion. When people buy things, you just need to enter this code. Then it's automatically reduced by 25%. Next up is the customer section. Then for example, here you will have some customers here. Then you will have a map according to customer information. And you can export raw to multiple file formats here. And if you, without a customer, it wouldn't be here. Refund the program. Your products have refund support. Or not without refund support. Then it won't show up here. And if there are some orders, they have been refunded, it will show up here. So now we're going to click on the section called. And now we will have report by month and report by year. And report by day. You can click here to see the review. What's yours like? And you can click it. Print to print and save your review. So now we're going to click on the settings. Then the setting progress is in. Well, your store is at 50%. It's done, as you saw at the beginning. We will have a store name, email and checkbox logo. The banner I used to rest. Comment is 2000 x 1400 pixel. That's our banner style. We will choose to come here. Before you do that, you should sell some pictures, logos and banners, everything. For example, logos. I'm going to choose 1000 by 1000 pixels. The bigger the better. Then we'll click here. Next up is shop depression. And here's whether you want to hide those emails. Or about policy, click here. Then check it when you're done. Remember to sell yourself. Next is location payment. You probably know the shipping as well. I hope you will set up the part. Store setting up to 100% complete. Now, if it's 50%, I'm sure you're missing some information. I hope you will fill it up. Let our customers come to us. Understand the product and so on. Ours is better. I want to thank you for following this video.